Sceptre monitors are popular budget-friendly display options, but they can face compatibility challenges when connected to Mac computers due to fundamental differences in how macOS and PC-oriented monitors handle display protocols. While recent macOS updates have improved external display support, Sceptre monitors still require specific configuration steps for optimal performance due to several technical compatibility factors. There are four primary technical factors that cause compatibility issues between Sceptre monitors and Mac computers. These include macOS display scaling conflicts, EDID communication problems, refresh rate mismatches, and the absence of proper color profiles. EDID, or Extended Display Identification Data, is a crucial communication protocol that allows monitors to tell the Mac about their capabilities, including native resolution and refresh rate. When this communication fails, you get display problems. When connecting your Sceptre monitor to your Mac, you might encounter several common problems. These include no display signal appearing, incorrect resolution or scaling, making text blurry, color and brightness issues, or audio not working through HDMI connections. Understanding these compatibility factors is the first step toward successfully connecting your Sceptre monitor to your Mac. In the next section, we'll explore specific troubleshooting steps and setup procedures to resolve these issues. When your Sceptre monitor isn't displaying properly with your Mac, start with the most common culprit, cable connections. Check all physical connections and try different ports on both your Mac and monitor. If connection issues persist, reset your Mac's NVRAM or PRAM. This clears display-related settings that might be causing conflicts. Hold Option, Command, P, and R immediately when starting your Mac. Next, configure your display resolution in System Preferences. Navigate to Displays, then hold the Option key while clicking Scaled to reveal all available resolutions. Select your monitor's native resolution for the best image quality. For optimal color accuracy, calibrate your display using the built-in macOS Display Calibrator Assistant. You can also download manufacturer-specific color profiles from Sceptre's website for better color reproduction. If your monitor has built-in speakers and you're using HDMI, you may need to configure audio settings. Check Audio MIDI Setup and System Preferences to ensure your monitor is selected as the audio output device. For a fresh setup, follow this sequence. Connect your cable, power cycle both devices with the monitor first, select the correct input source on your monitor, then use macOS to detect the display. This systematic approach resolves most compatibility issues.